Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car, and this is a pretty rad vehicle. This is a 1967 Pontiac Grand Prix. It was rescued from the desert in Las Vegas, Nevada, and restored to this condition in 2010. It's the last surviving, fully documented 1967 Hurst Promotional Vehicle. It's a tribute. You'll see right here on the side here in a second. Check out that interior with the Hurst shifter. And it's a tribute to Linda Vaughn, Miss Hurst Golden Shifter. And this is an amazing vehicle. It's got a 428 motor, and it was designed in conjunction with John DeLorean, delivered in 1966. And look at the back end with the taillights, the GP for Grand Prix badging. Check out the blue stripe tires and the Hurst wheels. Just an amazing vehicle. Stick around to the end. I've got a picture of the sign that accompanies this video. I just wanted to do the sign separately so you could read up on it. It gives a lot more information about the car and just how amazing it is. You can see that grab rail there on the passenger side. I think there's a name for it. It's something or other, but blue stripe there with the gold flake. Wowee, just a beautiful car. Thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next video. Stick around to the end. There's a sign that I was talking about. So you can see the sign, and then I also threw in the his and hers shifter. I've talked about that in other videos. Wanted to include it in this. Thanks again.